Good afternoon, everybody. Today we started a new chapter in EVS, that is chapter number 7, and the name of the chapter is Safety Rules. There are rules we have to follow in schools, at the road, in the swimming pool. So, in this chapter, we know about those rules. So, I am starting reading this chapter. Saina and her classmates are in a traffic training park. The teacher tells her why traffic rules are important. We must follow traffic rules to keep ourselves and others safe. If we are not careful, someone might get hurt. There are some rules we have to follow so that we can keep ourselves safe and so after following the rules we did not get hurt. So it is important to follow safety rules to be safe. There are some rules on road we have to follow. The first one is always go out with an elder. It can be your sister, brother, mother, father, but there always should be an elder with you. Walk on the pavement. Pavement means the corner of the road. There is an area for the pedestrians. We called it pavement. But if there is no pavement on the road, you have to walk on the side of the road. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. Zebra crossing, it is a stripe of black and white, and we have to, if we want to cross the road, we have to use zebra crossing. Do not play on the road. we, there is a park or your home terrace where you can play, but you cannot play on the road. Before crossing the road, first look to the right, then to the left, and again to the right. Cross the road only when it is clear. This is the most important thing. When we are crossing the road, first we have to look at the right, after that we have to look at the left, and again we will look at to the right. And we have to cross the road when the road is clear or the traffic is less. Now we are moving forward to the next page. There is a box here and it is a street light over there, and street light or traffic light has three lights: red, yellow and green. Let's see what the red says. When I turn red, I want you to stop. When I turn yellow, I want you to get ready. When I turn green, I want you to go. On the four ways, there are always a traffic light. As we follow some rules on road, there are some rules we have to follow at home too. For example, do not jump on a bed or a sofa, otherwise you got hurt. Stay away from fire, do not play with matchsticks. It is dangerous for you to play with the fire or come near to the fire. If you want to do something related to fire, always ask your parents or an adult. Do not touch electric wires or sockets. Now the Diwali festival is coming, so when your brother and your family members are decorating your house by using the wires, using the lights, so please do not touch them. Keep away from sharp things like knives, blades and scissors. You can cut yourself or you can hurt yourself. Do not lean over a balcony railing. In some of the houses there are some balcony railing or the terrace railing, so we don't have to lean on the railing. Some rules are at the school too, just like walk in a line while going up or down the stairs. Do not push each other. So when we say walk in a line, hands at your back, it is for your safety. Do not push each other on the swings. Do not jump on the chairs and desks, and do not jump on the beds too. Otherwise you got hurt. Now we are moving forward to the next page, that is safety in the bus or the car. Always wait in a line for the bus or for any vehicle, or for if you go to the bank or the temple, always make a queue. Sit properly on your seat. Do not stand near the door of the bus. If when the road speed when the bus when the speed breaker is there, you can hurt yourself, Do not put your head or arms outside the window of a moving bus or car, you may get hurt. Never disturb the driver, never ever disturb the driver. Otherwise, if he got distracted, the accident can't happen. Wait for the driver or bus to stop before getting off. Always wear a seat belt in the car. It keeps you safe in case of an accident. These are the rules we have to follow in bus or the car. Safety while swimming. There are three more rules related to swimming. That is, if you are learner, use a swimming tube. Do not go alone for a swim. Always be an elder for you with you. Do not go into deep water. When there are lots of water, do not go over there. If someone gets hurt, inform your teacher or an adult at once. If you saw that your friend is hurt, call the teacher. If you are at home, call your parents or call an adult. The fact ant is there. First aid is the medical help we give before the doctor comes. When you got hurt while playing in the school, the mother gives you a little bit of treatment, just like she wash your wound, or she put on some ointment. So these type of treatment are called first aid. So we learned some rules. So this is it for today. This is the chapter explanation. Thank you.